Hello children, today we are going to learn about comparing and ordering fractions. Children, here we are comparing fractions with same denominators, means we are comparing like fractions. As denominators are same, we need to compare numerators. Here 3 is less than 4, so 3 by 5 is less than 4 by 5. Fractions are having different denominators but the same numerators. As numerators are same, the fraction with the smaller denominator is greater fraction. So 3 by 4 is greater than 3 by 6. Comparing unlike fractions. When you need to compare two fractions, we can use two methods. First method is butterfly method. Here we need to do cross multiplication. Let's compare 3 by 5 and 2 by 4. When you multiply crossly, 3 4s are 12 and 5 2s are 10. As 12 is greater than 10, 3 by 5 is greater than 2 by 4. Second method, we need to make the given fractions into like fractions using equivalent fractions method with the same denominator. Since we know like fractions have same denominators, let us use the procedure of LCM to make their denominators same. Here LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. For the first fraction 3 by 5, let us multiply by 4 to both numerator and denominator. Hence we obtain 3 by 5 is equal to 12 by 20. Let's multiply 2 by 4 with 5. We obtain 10 by 20. Now if you see the equivalent fractions 12 by 20 and 10 by 20, we can say that 12 by 20 is greater than 10 by 20 by comparing the numerators. So therefore 3 by 5 is greater than 2 by 4. Arrange unlike fractions with same numerator from smallest to greatest. As we know, the fraction with the greater denominator is the smaller fraction. Among the given fractions, 2 by 5 is the smallest one and 2 by 3 is the greatest one. In the second set of fractions, 1 by 5 is the smallest one and 1 by 3 is the greatest one. Here all the fractions having the same denominator 8. So as the denominators are same, among the given fractions 3 by 8 is the smallest one and 7 by 8 is the greatest one. To order fractions, you can draw pictures or use the least common multiple or least common denominator. To arrange the given fractions from least to greatest one, we can understand by seeing the pictures that 1 by 2 is less than 3 by 4 is less than 5 by 6. Hence we can conclude that 1 by 2 is the smallest one and 5 by 6 is the greatest fraction. Order the fractions from least to greatest one. As the given fractions are unlike, in order to make them like fractions, we need the least common denominator or least common multiple. Arrange the given fractions from smallest to greatest one. Find the LCM of denominators 6, 12, 9 and 3. Children, you are familiar in finding LCM using multiple method. Here LCM is 36. In order to get 36 as denominator, we will multiply the fraction 1 by 6 by 6 to both numerator and denominator. Here 1 times 6 is 6, 6 times 6 is 36. The equivalent fraction of 1 by 6 is 6 by 36. The second fraction is 5 by 9. Let's make the denominator 36 here also. How many times 9 goes in 36? We know it's 4 times. Let's multiply numerator and denominator by 4. Similarly, 7 by 12 is to be multiplied by 3. We get 21 by 36. The last fraction 2 by 3 is to be multiplied by 12 in order to get 24 by 36. Since we got equivalent fractions, now we can compare easily and arrange them in the given order.